Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Got this project car, BMW 328 Ci. This is year 2000. I got it for $1,200. Has some issues, like some scratches right here, bumper hanging, different wheel, a little damage right here. It's not too bad. Looking inside, needs some detailing. But the issues I'm having is when I try to start it, it starts and it dies. So if anybody knows what's the issues with these BMW 328 Ci, what's the problem, why it dies, I'll be troubleshooting and putting more content about this BMW. And if you want to follow me along, if you have the same BMW, you know much, please comment below. Any feedback would help. So yeah, this is a little project I picked up. Like I said, only $1,200. Don't know how much it's gonna cost me. What do you think? Is it a good deal? But it does have some issues. It starts, but it runs rough, but it dies almost right away. You have to keep pressing the gas pedal. So yeah, let's start it up, see how it runs, so you can see it for yourself. So this is what the engine looks like. Not too bad of a shape. Let's start her up, see how it runs. Yep, that's how it dies. So what I did first, took this off. Flathead, mine's aftermarket, yours might be different, but it might be the same thing on the clips. So I'm gonna try to take this off right now. I believe it's called airflow sensor, or that stops from getting water into it or some garbage into the engine. So I'm gonna try to clean this here piece, see if that will help some of it. So I cleaned this up a little. You gotta be careful so you don't ruin it. That sensor inside, I cleaned it up. I'm gonna see if that will help. Let's install it back. I'm gonna try to start it without this because it's aftermarket. Maybe this is bad. I'll see. If it'll work, then I'll install this one and check it out. I'm gonna try it like this and try to start it up. Looks like same issue. because just cleaning that airflow sensor does not do anything. I've been looking more into it. If you follow me along, I'll follow up more what I did and how I fixed it. Well, at least I'll try to fix it. So this is the project I picked up. What do you think? Year 2000 328 Ci, $1,200. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.